I'm taking a look at number 6 on page 129. It says a square and an equilateral triangle have the same perimeter. Okay, like I said, I always draw a picture just so I can have something to look at, right? A square and an equilateral triangle have the same perimeter, okay? Their perimeters are equal to each other. All right, I'm just making myself a picture so I can understand this problem. Each side of the triangle is 4 inches longer than each side of the square. Okay, so let's just say that the square sides are x. Okay, just because it's a square, each side's gonna be the same. And this is an equilateral triangle, which means each side is the same length. And it says each side of the triangle is 4 inches longer than each side of the square. So this is basically saying 4 plus x on each side. And then what is the perimeter of the square? So first we need to solve for x, and then we can figure out the perimeter of the square. So 4 plus x, I'm just going to put times 3 because I don't want to write 4 plus x, 4 plus x, 4 plus x. So times 3, because there are 3 sides, is equal to 4 times x, because there are 4 sides, and these are the perimeters, right? This is representing the perimeter of the square, and this is representing the perimeter of the triangle. That is equal. Okay, 4 times x, nothing we can really do there, just 4x is 4x. 3 times 4 plus x, we can distribute this. So 3 times 4 would be 12. 3 times x would be 3x, and then that would be equal to 4x. I'm going to subtract by 3x on both sides to get my x's together, and I'm left with 12 equals x. Now that I have what x equals, remember, they didn't ask you what does x equal or what's the side length of the square. They're asking you what is the perimeter of the square. So the perimeter of the square would be 4x. Remember, perimeter of the square was 4x. So 4 times 12 will give you the perimeter of the square. 4 times 12 is 48. So the perimeter of the square is 48 inches.